In a world that's constantly evolving, one thing remains timeless: the need to secure our future, to build wealth that lasts for generations. Welcome to Micromity, Central India's first PropTech firm, redefining the way you invest in real estate. Born in Indore, designed for the future, and powered by innovations. At Micromity, we are not just building properties, we are building wealth, creating opportunities, and paving the way for a brighter tomorrow for the common man. Micromity is on a mission to democratize real estate investments by offering fractional ownership in high value properties. We allow investors to participate at large scale projects through equity shareholding credited directly to their Demat account, ensuring real ownership and partnership, not just fractional land allocation like other players in the market. We are building land banks at premium locations across Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities as well as villages, focusing on generating wealth with appreciating assets in the long term. With a philosophy centered on India's growth story, Micromity is focused on Tier 2 and Tier 3 city development and moving further towards the villages, the real Bharat, while building wealth for all, especially the common man, as India moves towards a $30 trillion economy. Micromity collaborates with the best in the industry, from partnering with India's top architects like Mr. Sanjay Puri to working with world's leading real estate research firm like JLL for project feasibility reports and due diligence. Our collaboration extends to construction firms, legal partners, ensuring values addition, safety, maximize returns on your real estate investment. This strategic approach guarantees that every investment is secure, legal, and poised for the best possible returns. Micromity is a unique investment model. Micromity set itself apart with the revolutionary investment model. We co-invest and co-exit from each project with our investors, building unparalleled trust and confidence. Our approach ensures complete alignment of interest with our investors. Our innovative model allows even small ticket size investors to participate in large scale projects truly, not just as landholders but as equity partners in entire special purpose vehicle SPVs of the project. In a short span of time of just 9 months, we have achieved remarkable milestones. Micromity has already acquired 9 major projects in the city of Indore, including an iconic IT park, Cyber City Indore, a 30-acre integrated residential project, a premium luxury residential towers like Celine, commercial projects just near to Taj, a very prime location, villas, hotel and resorts. Each project is designed keeping in mind all kind of investors, considering their age, time frame, risk appetite and returns expectations. We have also secured 90 crores in our seed round, backed by specialized venture partners, prominent local HNIs and family offices. Now we are gearing up to raise Series A of 200 crores to fuel our national expansion and tech advancements in the PropTech and FinTech sector. What sets us apart? Unlike traditional mutual fund style real estate investment fractional firms, Micromity owns all its assets and co-invests in every asset, ensuring our interests are aligned with yours. We offer true partnership in large projects with equity shareholding credited to the investors' Demat accounts, bringing transparency and trust to real estate investments. With the Micromity mobile app, we bring unmatched transparency to real estate investments, powered by cutting-edge PropTech and FinTech solutions. At Micromity, we believe in thinking beyond today, planning for tomorrow, building wealth that lasts generations. Our vision is clear: to expand nationally, enhance our PropTech platform with AI-driven analytics, and offer flexible high-return investment options. Armed with the land bank market valuation AUM owned of 700 plus crores and a built-up sale value of 3,000 crores to be executed within next 3 to 5 years, we are set for rapid growth. Aim to double our land bank AUM to 1,500 plus crores in FY 25-26, creating hundreds of jobs in India, PropTech and FinTech sectors. contributing to India's journey towards a $30 trillion economy. While Micrometer is led by me, the founder and CEO Manoj Zanotia, I am committed to redefine real estate investments in India, and I am committed that Micrometer is not just a business but a movement towards building generational wealth and for the communities. Micrometer isn't just about investing in real estate. It's about investing in dreams, growth and the future. Join us on this journey to build generational wealth and secure a brighter tomorrow. Whether you are an experienced investor or just starting, or you're looking for a job, Micrometer offers a safe, transparent and rewarding way to build wealth as well as career. Micrometer is real estate reinvented, redefined. We build wealth, we build legacy and we build it on land. Thank you.
Micrometer is India's leading PropTech company, revolutionizing real estate investment.